Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's another episode of me trying to let the baby starling out of the cage. It's 7:30-ish in the morning. And as you can see, the cage door is open. She is still in there. Come on, Em. Come on. You're coming out. Come on, Em. Come and have a fly about. The blinds are shut because sometimes if you leave blinds open, birds are attracted to light, and especially with blinds, they could get trapped in them. So this is why they're closed. She's pretty healthy, eating, drinking, happy. Come on, Em. Coming out now, then. Time to come out. Come on, Em. It's morning. Morning. You're coming out. Coming in. Yeah, look, door's open. Coming out, then. As you can see, she likes it in there. Time to fly about. We've done her a little perch. Just here. I've even got her a bath ready for if she wanted to come out and have a bath. Taking all the ornaments off. Coming in. Time to come out. So you've got to lift up the pet carrier box to actually get her out. I don't want to do that because I might scare her. Coming in. I think the only way I'm going to be able to coax her out, to actually get out, is actually put some mealworms there. I think I'll try that. Right. Let's get some mealworms and see if we can coax you out to actually coming out. Alright? So, got some mealworms. These are the mealworms. Coming in. Look. Oh. Mealworms there, ready? Oh, bless you. And a couple of mealworms there. Now let's see if she comes out. Now. Come on in, Millie. Mealworms. Mealworms. God. Hey, look, mealworms. I put a couple in the door to see if we can actually get her out. How many mealworms? Yeah. There's literally 2 on the door. Hey, look. And some more outside the door. Coming in, mealworms. Careful. Oh dear. Coming in. Coming in. Oh dear. You sneezy sneezies. You were dreaming last night, weren't you? Millie. Millie. Coming in. There's some mealworms on the door, Millie. Hooray. Mealworms. Go on then. Go on then. Oh, bless you. It's that nasty magpie that done that to you, wasn't it? Come on then. Come on then. Come on, Millie. Coming in, you're coming out then. See, I can't even coax her out with a couple of tasty mealworms. It's literally got to throw a mealworm in front of her and do a trail to actually get her out, I think. Let's try that. Right, how about this then, Millie? To make it really easy for you, alright? So you know. How about I throw one in front of you, and then you can see it. Just. Ready. Oh, there you go. Just throwing it in front of the door. Go on then. Go on then, Millie. Come on in. Millie. Come on then. Should we pretend to close the door? See if you want to come out then. Right, I'm going to close the door then. Coming out. Oh, close the door. Oh. You're not bothered, are you? Come on then. It's time to fly about. We've got some juicy mealworms there. It makes me wonder if I really should release this bird back into the wild when it's older. Oh, there's a step. Come on then. See, if you did that outside, you would have been eaten by now. Come on. Come on. Come on then. Oh dear. Are you coming out? Some point today would be nice. Right, he's seen the mealworms at long last. And she's eating them. Oh, hooray. God, that didn't take long, did it? Let's see if that actually gets her out. One more step and yay, she's out. Hello, Millie. Morning. Oh my God, you actually made it out. You're going to go down there on the table. Go on then. Oops, I think she's going to go on the chair. Not long last. Go on then. Ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go. Go on then. Go on then. Ready, steady, go. Go on then. On the chair. Thinking about it. Oh, on the cage. Go on then. Ah, on the floor. You are finally out. Don't worry about the extension lead. It's not on, so she won't get an electric shock. There is something on the floor that she's been pretty curious about, which is like a toy dog of my grandson's. A lot of the time she goes towards it and runs away from it and then tries to go towards it again and then runs away from it. Oh, hello. Oh, you quick poopsie whoopsie on the chair. You liked it on there, don't you? I'll have to cut a piece of that off. Well, it's nearly been 15 minutes now. It took 10 minutes of that to get you out. Eat your toes. Come on then. Let's sit a bit closer and see if she goes somewhere else. Sorry about the movement of the video, but it's quite awkward to hold the camera in one hand, or shall I say, tablet in one hand, and sit next to her. Hello, Millie. Millie Moose. Oh, look at that sun, it's coming out. It's going to be nice and beautiful today. This is the dog I was telling you about. My grandson dog. It's a toy dog, as you can see. But what she does is she runs on the carpet, the furry carpet, goes towards the dog and then jumps back again. And she was doing that quite a lot yesterday. You going to go and see the dog again today? Are you? Go on then. Nice fly about. Stretch your wings. You're supposed to be doing that. But you still sit there, don't you, Millie? That's what you do. You just sit still. And that's the wrong thing to do. In here it's okay, obviously, but outside it's not. Look, shall we show you an animal? Look, here comes a sheep. Look, a big sheep. Can you see that big sheep? Look, a sheep. Sheep comes to see you. Look, what is it? Maybe the sheep can get close to you. Oh wee! Go on then, have a fly about. Hey, hello. Oh, you're there now. Better, innit? Oh, careful. Oh, oh. Oh, that was a big fly around. That was Molly, wasn't it? Millie Molly. Is that good? But sheep's come to see you. She whops over to the dog again and jumps back. Oh, did he? Flies so quick, it's quite hard to keep track of her. Oh, you're next to that dog again. Always typical that they always put their head behind a post or something. Come in, Minnie. Come in. Minnie, I can hardly see you now. That's better. That's better. You're going to go and see a bath. That's a bath, that is. You'll probably use it as just drinking water. But it's actually a bath for you. You probably need a bath. It's quite warm. But as you saw earlier, even coats in there with mealworms took long enough to get around. So I'll probably have to coax on the mealworms to have a bath. Can't see you now. Is there anything you'd like to say to the viewers before we go? Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. But this is the day-to-day thing that I do with this Starling. I let it out of the cage when it finally decides to come out. And she has a fly around. I look around, bits of poopsies here, there, but it always gets cleared up. And, well, as you see, she'll probably stay out for another 5-10 minutes, something like that, before she decides to go back in. I very much doubt she'll be having a bath today, because as you saw, like, how difficult it was for me to get her out. Oh, look at her flying. Oh, you're over there now, aren't you? So, what do you want to do now then? Are you going to go back in? I suppose. Are we calling that a wrap, or? Oh, here she goes. I think she's going to go back in now. Oh, she's found the mealworms that I placed on the table at the start. So she'll probably jump up there and back in her cage, and then that's it for her today. So, as you see, it took her 10 minutes to come out, another 20 minutes to look around, a little drink, and she'll probably hop back in her cage, I expect. And then that's it. And then I'll let her out again later, in about an hour or so, or 2 hours. I don't like birds much in cages either, because I think it's only right that they should have freedom, but for this bird, unfortunately, that is not the case. I am not going to risk this bird's life outside when it's been attacked 7 times already. Unfortunately, it doesn't know the dangers. You're going to go back in then? Go on, in you go then. Go on, show them how good you're getting in. Oh, well, maybe not this time then. Oh, she's decided to have more of a wander. That's good. Well, I shall leave her to wander. Thank you very much for watching this video. Add a like or subscribe. And I'll see you again next time with another video. Thank you.